Hi, my name is Katie Chung, and I'm going to be teaching you how to transcribe a sentence using phonetics today. So the first thing I want you to do is take a look at what I'm going to show you right here. Okay. So this is not something that we recognize right away, but we can actually read it. It looks like it says coffee. Now we know that coffee is actually normally spelled like this. Okay, but let's think about how coffee might be pronounced. Okay, now does it have to always be pronounced as coffee? No, it doesn't. I'm actually from the Jersey Shore, so we don't say coffee this way. We actually say like this, coffee. So this little backward C actually has an aw sound, which is a dialectical difference from other regions in the US where they might say coffee. So this same word, coffee, could be pronounced either coffee or coffee, but still have the same meaning. And the point of phonetics is to show or understand and see the differences between how things could be pronounced, but put it into writing. So we are actually going to transcribe a phrase today, which is going to be the rain in Spain. So before we do that, we're going to actually have to learn a couple of phonetic symbols. And the first one we're going to go over is going to be an uppercase I. Now this is not pronounced I, it's going to be pronounced I. So the word it has this sound. So in phonetics, you would write it as I, it. Okay? Now the next one is going to be an E with an uppercase I and a frown on top. Okay? And this is going to be pronounced as A. So if I gave you the word, let's say, say, it would be S, and this has an A sound, so it would be A. Say. Now the next one is going to look like an upside down E. And this upside down E has the sound of an So if I gave you the word done, it would be d-un. So D, d, n. Done. Okay? Now the last one we're going to go over is kind of a weird symbol that doesn't look like anything we've ever written in normal alphabetic letters. This weird looking thing is actually the symbol for a hard TH. So let's have the word this. Okay? The would be this character. And then the I. We just learned this, right? The is. That's how we'd write this. Okay? So given these few characters we just learned, we are going to write down the rain in Spain. Okay, so I'm going to write this down and we'll do it side by side. So the rain in Spain. Now, I want you to look down at the bottom of our video right now, and there's going to be a bar that has the symbols that we just learned. So let's start with the. Okay, that's the last one we just learned, so it's a little bit easier, right? The. Did we just learn yeah, we did, right? So the sound is actually an upside down E. The. Okay? Rain. R, right? A, we learned this. It was an E, uppercase I with the frown. Rain. Rain. Okay? The next one is in. Okay, we were talking about the word it or is, right? So we know I is an uppercase I. N would be an in. Sp, in. So we know that this has the same sound as rain, right? So we know that we're going to have to utilize this character here. So it's a. Okay, so here we have the rain in Spain. Okay, so for you to see a little bit clearer, I wrote it out. This is what we should have at the end. The rain in Spain.